Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you a quick demo of an Angular application I built that uses AI, and then I'm going to walk you through Angular's brand new documentation site. Alright, so head over here to angular.dev and you can see right here on the left pane, to get here you need to click on docs. It takes you here and you can see their current version is v20. All right, and you can see the in-depth guide, but what we really want to talk about in this video is the build with AI section. You can see the build with AI section has get started, and it get started you can see the build AI powered apps, develop faster with AI, generative AI with large language models, and how you can also integrate Genkit, the Firebase AI logic, and also the Gemini AI to infuse it in your Angular apps. All right, so you can do all of that, and then the documentation walks you through how you can build powered application with Genkit and AI. Before we continue further, I would like to show you an application that I built using Google Genkit and Gemini AI. So this is the backend service, the content generator service. And basically we just use Google Genkit and Gemini AI. So it provides intelligent content creation. So just built this for the build with AI purpose. All right. So it uses the intelligent so the backend service provides intelligent content creation across multiple platforms. All right. So it's built using Node and Gemini API and Genkit as well. You can see the documentation right here. If you want to learn more about this, you can go over to my GitHub. I'm also going to be dropping the link to the repo on this video. All right, so you make sure you check that out. Pretty simple to use. All you need to do is just get your Gemini API key and add it right here, and you're good to go. So let's go over to the Angular app itself. Let's see what it looks like. So I'm going to click on this right here. All right, then let's go to the app itself, the Angular app. Okay, so this is the front end facing of the AI powered app I created using Angular. So an intelligent content generation platform built with Angular that leverages AI to create professional content across multiple formats and tones. Okay, you can see I call it the Content Craft AI. All right, I like the name, sounds nice. And so basically what this does is try to load the images. My network kind of slow. Okay, it's coming up. All right, okay. So basically what you want to do is you want to enter a topic, you want to enter relevant keywords, you also want to enter the content type, right? So is it a blog post, the social media, caption, a product description? You want to choose the tone. All right, is it persuasive, casual, humorous, or formal? And then you generate content. Once you generate content, you have the content. All right, so you can see the documentation right here, the available tools, the quick start, using Angular. Okay, and there's the project structure, the component, the services, how I integrated this, and also the backend and the service integration, generate content, calling this API, generate content, which is the content backend service built with Node and Genkit. Okay, so basically this is what I created with that. So let's go back to the Angular documentation. Okay, so you can try it for yourself. Build AI powered applications with Genkit and Angular. Okay, so of course in subsequent videos I'm going to be creating tutorials on how you can go about building some of this for yourself, and let's explore AI in Angular applications. I strongly believe that in the coming days or in the coming years, AI is going to be an integral part of our application. Whether you are vibe coding, whether you are doing an interview, AI is here to stay. So I mean, just get along with the train now. Okay, so build AI powered application to Firebase, AI logic, and Angular, and all of that. So the documentation is well crafted, nicely done. Big ups to Angular for this. You know, best practices, easy to read, and easy to follow through as well. And then we have the LLM prompts and AI IDE setup. I'm not gonna about using this myself, but I believe strongly for those of you that want to use this, you can go ahead and use this set of instructions, because most times when you deal with for example ChatGPT, Claude, or DeepSeek, they still tend to return the old version of Angular, use the old control flow, maybe ng4 and all of that. They keep returning that. You have to specifically tell ChatGPT, you have to specifically tell Claude, you have to specifically tell DeepSeek that, okay, use the latest, Angular features. You need to prompt it, and this is a better prompt, right? So this is the aim of this. You're an Angular expert in TypeScript, Angular, and scalable web application development. Write a maintainable code, yada yada, and of course, you use the best practices and all of that. Just copy and paste this, and then tell the give your other prompt, your follow-up prompt on what to do. Okay, here we have the Angular CL MCP server setup, and provide the context to LM text and all. So you can see Angular is on a momentum. Angular is progressing with AI, so they are going side by side. Okay, so as AI is advancing, Angular is also advancing. With their you can see there's a reflection of that in the build with AI. Okay, so you as an Angular dev, you have an understanding of AI and how to integrate this in your application, make intelligent applications built using Angular.